For mountain bikers, the hunt for that perfect ride never truly ends. Every twist of the trail brings new challenges, and with the right upgrades, your bike can handle them all like a champ. Whether it's a smoother suspension or some handy high-tech gear, these 30 mountain bike upgrades will take your ride to the next level, making every trail feel like home. With these, you'll be ready to conquer any terrain with confidence. Spank Industries. VibroCore is more than your regular handlebar to enhance your MTB experience. It's got VibroCore technology with a foam core that takes the edge off those bone-rattling vibrations, making your ride a whole lot comfier and smoother on rough terrain. Built from tough, high-quality aluminum, it's strong as a bull, but light as a feather. What folks love most is the ergonomic design that keeps your hands in the right position, cutting down on strain during those long, grueling rides. Whether you're flying down a steep descent or picking your way through technical single tracks, the VibroCore handlebar steps up your ride, making it smoother and more responsive. So, whether you're gunning for the finish line in an enduro race or wandering the wild backcountry trails, these handlebars will make you feel the difference. It's time to up your game and see what real performance feels like on the trail. When it comes to making your bike more agile, dropping some weight without giving up strength is the name of the game. That's where the Fun Mamba S pedal comes in. These pedals are crafted from high-grade aluminum alloy, striking the perfect balance between being lightweight and tough as nails. They can take the hits and keep on going, no matter how hard you push them on the trail. Their slim profile means you're less likely to bash them on rocks or roots, while the CNC machine body keeps things stiff and responsive, giving you that precise control when you need it most. Whether you're powering up a climb or weaving through tight switchbacks, these pedals give you the edge to tackle anything the trail throws at you. The future of suspension tuning just got a whole lot smarter with the RockShox 2025 Flight Attendant and its game-changing auto-adjust AI system. Imagine forks that are always one step ahead, using artificial intelligence to constantly read the trail and your input, then fine-tuning the compression and rebound on the fly. No matter if you're cruising down fast-flowing single tracks or tackling rocky descents, this tech ensures your ride stays smooth and responsive, adapting to whatever the trail throws your way. With the Flight Attendant, you get effortless handling and feedback that matches your unique riding style. It's like having a suspension system that thinks for itself, so you can stay locked into the thrill of the ride without worrying about tweaks and adjustments. This fork offers the versatility and convenience that takes your riding experience to a whole new level. Keep your eyes on the trail and let the Flight Attendant handle the rest, delivering maximum comfort and top-notch performance every time. The OneUp Components EDC tool is a unique solution that redefines on-bike storage and convenience. Designed to seamlessly integrate into your bike's steerer tube or handlebars, this compact multi-tool system ensures you have everything you need for trailside repairs without the added weight or clutter. With up to 20 functions packed into its sleek design, including hex keys, screwdrivers, chain tools, and even a tire lever. The EDC tool is your go-to companion for any mechanical challenge on the trail. Beyond its essential repair capabilities, This tool boasts specialized features such as a tire lever, spoke keys, and even a CO2 inflator adapter, which ensures you're equipped for emergencies and routine adjustments alike. Experience the freedom of riding light while having crucial tools readily accessible at your fingertips, making quick adjustments or fixes effortless. Introducing the RockShox 2023 Lyric, a masterpiece of advanced suspension engineering. Designed for aggressive trail and enduro riders, this fork combines cutting-edge features with uncompromising performance, featuring a robust 35mm chassis crafted from lightweight yet durable aluminum. This fork offers enhanced stiffness that translates to precise steering and cornering accuracy. Boasting the updated Charger 2.1 RC2 damper, the Lyric delivers peerless control over high-speed compression and rebound adjustments. So, doesn't matter whether you're tackling steep rock faces or navigating through root-strewn single tracks, feel the confidence-inspiring stability and responsiveness that the Lyric offers. Its refined debonair airspring ensures a plush and consistent feel, smoothing out even the roughest terrain to keep you in control and pushing your limits.